Botocore S3 has issue hashing file due to encoding. I'm having trouble figuring out why the file, the contents of which are delete me later, which is loaded with encoding UTF-8 causes an exception in botocore when it's being hashed. Producers. Deleting could not put traceback. Most recent call last file /test_operator.py line 41 in key equals testing /a/put file break time equals once greater than line 312 in _API call return self make API call operation name corpse file break time equals once greater than. Line 193, in calculate MD5 from file MD5.update chunk type error. Unicode objects must be encoded before hashing. Now this can be avoided by opening the file with airbay, but isn't the file object F clearly using an encoding?
Now this can be avoided by opening the file with airbay, but isn't the file object F clearly using an encoding? The encoding specified to io.open in mode equals are is used to decode the content. So when you iterate F, the content has already been converted from bytes to str, text, by Python. To interface with botocore directly, open your file with mode airbay, and drop the encoding quark. There is no point to decode it to text when the first thing botocore will have to do in order to transport the content is just encode back into bytes again.